You look great today. You look great today. I like your outfit. I like your outfit. Your shirt looks nice. Your shirt looks nice. That color suits you. That color suits you. You have a great smile. You have a great smile. You look very happy today. You look very happy today. You did a great job. You did a great job. Your work is impressive. Your work is impressive. I like your style. I like your style. Your idea is brilliant. Your idea is brilliant. You are very talented. You are very talented. You are very creative. You are very creative. I admire your confidence. I admire your confidence. You are very kind. You are very kind. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. You always do your best. You always do your best. I like your attitude. I like your attitude. You have good taste. You have good taste. Your presentation was excellent. Your presentation was excellent. You speak English very well. You speak English very well. I like your hairstyle. I like your hairstyle. Your haircut looks great. Your haircut looks great. Your shoes are stylish. Your shoes are stylish. I love your jacket. I love your jacket. That dress looks beautiful. That dress looks beautiful. Your bag looks nice. Your bag looks nice. Your watch is cool. Your watch is cool. I like your glasses. I like your glasses. You look very elegant. You look very elegant. You look very confident. You look very confident. That was a smart decision. That was a smart decision. You handled that well. You handled that well. You are doing great. You are doing great. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. That was very thoughtful. That was very thoughtful. You are very generous. You are very generous. You are very polite. You are very polite. You are very friendly. You are very friendly. People enjoy talking to you. People enjoy talking to you. You are a great listener. You are a great listener. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. You are very reliable. You are very reliable. I trust your opinion. I trust your opinion. You are very hardworking. You are very hardworking. Your cooking is delicious. Your cooking is delicious. This meal is amazing. This meal is amazing. You are a great cook. You are a great cook. This coffee tastes great. This coffee tastes great. I love this dish. I love this dish. Your home looks beautiful. Your home looks beautiful. Your room is very clean. Your room is very organized. I like your decoration. I like your decoration. Your place feels cozy. Your place feels cozy. You have great design taste. You have great design taste. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks, I appreciate it. Thanks, I appreciate it. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. I am glad you like it. I am glad you like it. That is very kind of you. That is very kind of you. I am happy to hear that. I am happy to hear that. You are too kind. You are too kind. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for saying that. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. I am flattered. I am flattered. I feel honored. I feel honored. That is very sweet of you. That is very sweet of you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support. That was thoughtful. That was thoughtful. You made my day. You made my day. I feel encouraged. I feel encouraged. That motivates me. That motivates me. I am grateful for that. I am grateful for that. Your words mean a lot. Your words mean a lot. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your kindness. I value your compliment. I value your compliment. That was nice of you. That was nice of you. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your feedback. You made me smile. You made me smile. Giving compliments spreads positivity. Giving compliments spreads positivity. Kind words matter. Kind words matter. Compliments build confidence. Compliments build confidence. Positive words inspire people. Positive words inspire people. Encouragement helps people grow. Encouragement helps people grow. Kindness creates happiness. Kindness creates happiness. A compliment can change someone's day. A compliment can change someone's day. Speak kindly to others. Speak kindly to others. Positivity is powerful. Positivity is powerful. Words can inspire people. Words can inspire people. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. Keep repeating the sentences. Keep repeating the sentences. Practice every day. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Your English will improve. Speaking builds confidence. Speaking builds confidence. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves pronunciation. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Keep learning new words. Keep learning new words. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep learning English every day. Keep learning English every day.